Good morning students. Welcome back to our maths class. In previous class we have learnt about how to plot your points in a graph sheet and the basic concepts of a graph. Let us have a small recap. First one is the horizontal line x dash o x is called a x-axis. The vertical line y dash o y is called y-axis. X dash o x and y dash o y together are called the coordinate axis. 0 is the point of intersection of two axes and is called the origin. The plane of x dash ox and y dash oy is known as the coordinate plane. The two axes divide the coordinate plane into four parts called quadrants. Here is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and the fourth one. Here this is the origin. Right side the 0 is called as the positive numbers, left side negative numbers, above the horizontal line positive numbers, below the horizontal line negative numbers. First quadrant contains both are positive, second quadrant x value negative, y value positive, third quadrant contains both are negative and fourth quadrant x value positive, y value negative. Let us go for a new sum. Plot the following points in the graph sheet and join them with the straight lines. What can you say about the lines formed? First question is 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6 and 5, 7. This is a graph sheet. Horizontal line is the x-axis, vertical line is y-axis. Here the intersecting point is origin O. This is the positive number 1. Nearest 0 is 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The same method, left side of 0 is negative numbers. So this is the -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. The same method, above the line is a positive. This is a 0. Next line is 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The same method, below the line is the negative number. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, 10, 11, -12. Now plot the point. First one is 2, 4. Here 2 represent x value. So x coordinate is known as abscissa, y coordinate is known as ordinate. Here 2 is x-axis, 4 in y-axis. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This point is known as 2, 4. Is it clear? Next one is 3, 5. So 3 in x-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This point is 3, 5. Next one is 4, 6. X-axis 4, y-axis 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This point is known as 4, 6. Then last one is 5, 7. So in 5 in x-axis, 7 means positive. So above the horizontal line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 5, 7. Now join these points. So these points form a straight line. Is it clear? Result, these points form a straight line. Next question is 2 comma minus 5, 3 comma minus 6, 4 comma minus 7 and 0 comma minus 3. This is the graph sheet. Here the scale is in x-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. In y-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Now plot the points. First point is 2 comma minus 5. Here 2 is the in x-axis, minus 5 means below the number line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 2 comma minus 5. Next point is 3 comma minus 6. So 3 minus 6 means below the line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 3 comma minus 6. Next point is 4 comma minus 7. So in x-axis 4, 7 minus 7 means below the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 4 comma minus 7. The next point is 0 comma minus 3. Here 0 is the origin, minus 3 is below the line. 1, 2, 3. This point is known as 0 comma minus 3. Now join these points. We get a straight line. Result, these points form a straight line. Next question is 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2. So plot the points in the same graph sheet. 1 comma 4. Here 1 is x-axis, 4 means positive number. So above the number line, above the horizontal line. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This point is 1 comma 4. Next one is 2 comma 3. So 2 is in x-axis plus 3. So above the horizontal line. 1, 2, 3. This is 2 comma 3. Next one is 3 comma 2. 3 is in x-axis. 2, 1, 2. So this is 3 comma 2. Now join these points. These points form a straight line. Result, these points form a straight line. Next sum, A 2 comma 1, B 4 comma 1, C 4 comma 3, D 2 comma 3. Now plot the points. First point is 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1 is this point. Next 4.1. Next C is 4.4 comma 3. Next 2 comma 3. Join the points. First join A, D. Next A, B. Next one is B, C. Then C, D. This is a square. Lengthwise 2 squares, 2 boxes, that is 2 units. Breadthwise also 2 units. So this is a 4 sides are equal. So these points form a square. Result, these points form a square. Next one is A 2 comma 5, B 2 comma 1, C 7 comma 1, D 7 comma 5. Now the point is 2 comma 1, B is 2 comma 1. Next A is 2 comma 5. 2 is the x-axis, 5 in y-axis. Next C 7 comma 1, D 7 comma 5. Now join the points. First join A, B, next B, C, next C, D, and then A, T. Now identify the figure. First count the lengthwise square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So lengthwise 5 units. Breadthwise 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So here length and breadth are different in measure. So these points form a rectangle. Result, these points form a rectangle. Let us have a small recap. The position of a point P is given by P of x, y, which is an ordered pair of numbers. The x coordinate of a point is called abscissa. The y coordinate of a point is called ordinate. The x coordinate of a point is always written first. The x coordinate of a point is its distance from the y-axis and the y coordinate is its distance from the x-axis. Thank you, students.